Creating a terrace garden with fruit plants can be a delightful and rewarding experience. Here are 5 fruit plants that are well suited for terrace garden. 1. Banana. Bananas are an excellent choice for terrace gardens due to their ability to thrive in large containers and their minimal space requirements. Their lush, tropical foliage adds a vibrant, ornamental touch to any terrace, making it more visually appealing. By growing bananas on your terrace, you can enjoy fresh, homegrown fruit that's not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. The large, deep container required ensures that the plant's extensive root system has ample space to develop, which helps in producing healthy, high-quality bananas. Plus, bananas are relatively low maintenance once established, requiring only consistent watering and regular feeding. 2. Mango. Mangoes are a great addition to a terrace garden, especially when using dwarf or compact varieties that are suitable for containers. They provide a tropical flair and a lush canopy, enhancing the aesthetics of your terrace. Growing mangoes on your terrace allows you to enjoy the rich, sweet flavor of homegrown mangoes, which are often superior to store-bought ones. The warm, sunny environment of a terrace is ideal for mango trees, which require plenty of sunlight to thrive and produce fruit. Additionally, container gardening makes it easier to manage the plant's growth and protect it from pests and diseases. 3. Papaya. Papayas are perfect for terrace gardens because they grow well in large pots and provide quick results with their rapid growth and early fruiting. Their distinctive tropical appearance adds a unique touch to your garden. Planting papayas on your terrace enables you to have a steady supply of fresh papaya, which is rich in vitamins and enzymes. Papayas thrive in the warm, sunny conditions typical of terraces, and their compact size makes them suitable for container gardening. They also offer the benefit of being relatively low maintenance, with minimal pruning required. 4. Guava. Guavas are an excellent choice for terrace gardens due to their ability to adapt to container growth and their relatively compact size. They not only provide a lush, evergreen look, but also produce aromatic, nutritious fruit that can enhance your culinary experiences. Growing guavas on your terrace allows you to enjoy fresh guavas, which are rich in vitamin C and other nutrients, right at your doorstep. Guavas are well suited to the sunny, well-draining conditions of a terrace garden, and their manageable size makes them ideal for smaller spaces. Additionally, they are relatively easy to care for, requiring only regular watering and occasional pruning. 5th, pomegranate. Pomegranates are a great addition to a terrace garden because they offer both decorative and practical benefits. Their attractive, glossy foliage and vibrant flowers add visual interest to your terrace, while the fruit provides a unique and nutritious addition to your diet. Planting pomegranates on your terrace allows you to enjoy the health benefits of fresh pomegranates, which are high in antioxidants and vitamins. They adapt well to container gardening, and their manageable size makes them suitable for terrace spaces. Pomegranates also thrive in the sunny, warm environment of a terrace and are relatively low maintenance, requiring only moderate watering and occasional feeding. Incorporating these fruit plants into your terrace garden not only maximizes your outdoor space, but also enhances its beauty and functionality. You get to enjoy fresh, homegrown fruits while adding a touch of greenery and tropical charm to your living area.